Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your contractor bidding process with HomeAdvisor, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your contractor bidding process with HomeAdvisor, start by logging into your HomeAdvisor account. Navigate to the dashboard where all your active listings are displayed. Identify the project listings that require updates or modifications. Click on the specific project listing you want to restore. Review the details of the project to ensure all necessary information is accurate. If any information is missing, fill in the required fields to improve your bid's visibility. Next, check the status of your past bids to assess the reasons for their decline. Analyze customer feedback to understand areas for improvement. Use this information to tweak your bidding approach for better results. Consider adjusting your pricing strategy based on market trends and competitor bids. Remember to highlight your unique selling points in your bid. Make sure your profile includes up-to-date credentials, licenses, and insurance information. This builds trust with potential clients and increases your chances of winning bids. Revisit your photos and project images to showcase your best work. Having high-quality visuals can significantly impact a client's decision. Once you've made all the necessary updates, save your changes. Then, resubmit your updated bids for review. Monitor the performance of your bids closely after they are resubmitted. Engage with potential clients promptly to answer any questions they may have. Lastly, keep track of your overall progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Staying proactive will help you restore your contractor bidding process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.